Here I'm going to create a IAM user in AWS console under IAM. I'm going to create a new user. Click on add user. You can create a number of users by adding another user here. I'm going to create a new user. So this is access key programmatic access, which is which will enable you to access only the AWS cloud shell access or CLI access, command line access. So I want to enable this, and this is the console access for AWS. So here there are two options. One is auto-generated password, and the other one is custom password. And I will go with custom password. And user must create a new password at next login. I don't want to enable this at this since it is a demo. I don't want to enable this. Go to permission. So there are some groups already available. You can create a new group or you can use the existing group. And the second option is copy permission from the existing user. This user has Amazon S3 full access permission. So you can clone the permission from this user, existing user, or you can go with the policy. Policies and groups are same. Either you can create a group for the policy, existing policy, or you can go with the policy, predefined AWS policy. So by creating group, you will end up with you will end up with the policy. So you can either select the existing policy and create a group. Group name is admin access. Admin. So you can add this group, or you can directly select this group from the existing policy. So I'm going to give admin access to this user, and also I want to give ES3 full access. So go to tag name ES3 access. You can give any name. Okay, I am going to create a user with S3 full access. So I've created a user. Go to IAM. So this is the user I just created. So this user has S3 full access. So let's check his access level by logging in with this user ID. Just copy this. This is user ARN with Azure resource name. Okay, let me go with the ID, account ID, 12-digit account ID, and the username is M2K.0435. Password. It looks like okay, dot 0435 is the username, right? Okay, dot 0435. Sorry for that. Well, I logged into the system. So now I have created a user with S3 full access. So this I have one S3 bucket here. You can see I have one S3 bucket. Under this bucket, I have a folder called Muthu. Under this folder, I have a text file Azure text. Here I can see Muthu folder, and this file is accessible. You can download this file. It's downloadable. So this is how IAM works. And let me check if I block this access to this user. I'm going to remove this access to this user. Detach. Now this user is not having any access. Just refresh this. Refresh this console run. I got a message, you don't have permission to list packets. So I blocked access. I removed access for this user. So with this user ID, I don't have access now. This is how IAM. And the other topic is MFA. MFA is multi-factor authentication. You can enable multi-factor authentication for this user for security purpose. The user can access to this account using the hardware MFA device or authenticator app. Microsoft Authenticator app, there is an app. So you have to scan this image and you will get two codes. Once you get, once you enter those codes, you'll be able to access this. So you can enable this. And in IAM, the other important topic is credential report. You can get download, if you're the owner of this account, you can download the credential report of list of users available under this account. You can see the information of this users available for this account. Username, ARN, password is true, and password last used, password not supported, filter in access keys, enabled or disabled. All information you will get it in the credential report. And if you want to see the logs for this for any specific user, you can go here always and go to Access Advisor. Here you can see, so, okay, this user does not have any permission, so that is okay. Show for other users. So this user has S3 full access, and the last access is 10 days ago. And Lambda is having Lambda access as well, but he has not accessed Lambda, not even once, not accessed in the tracking period. So this is how IAM works. Hope it's clear.